In this lesson, we are going to learn these 4 pinyin letters. 4, 4, more, 4. Okay, now let's go through them one by one. First, let's look at 3 initials pronounced with 2 lips. The first one, 4, 4, 4. Look at my 2 lips. My mouth turned round, right? 4, 4. Okay, now the second one. 4, 4. Okay, look at this paper. 4, 4. Yes, it pushed the air out very hard. Okay, number 3. More, more, more. More is softer, right? Okay, now the next one. An initial pronounced with upper teeth and lower lip. It's 4, 4, 4. Okay, as we mentioned earlier, most Chinese syllables are combined with an initial and no final. Okay, so take 4 and a as an example. It's 八, 八, 八. Okay, now let's go to the practice part. While we practice, please imitate my sounds and mouth movement. Try to take a selfie and later you can replay and find the differences. Are you ready? Okay, now let's go. 八, 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 啪, 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 妈, 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 发, 发, 发. Not difficult, isn't it? Okay, that's all for this lesson. And in next lesson, we are going to learn more pinyin letters. See you then.